Hello class 9 children, so welcome to today's online class. So let me discuss one more new question and a very important question from the chapter circle. So here I have a question children. So my question is, a chord distant 2 centimeter from the center of a circle is 18 centimeter long. So in this question diagram was not given, so I made one circle here, and what the question is saying, from the center of the circle at a distance of 2 centimeter one chord is there and its length is 18 centimeter long. So let us first draw a chord whose length is 18 centimeter. So let me draw one chord here. So okay, my chord I draw here, and let me tell you children, from the center, okay, this is the center, its length, its distance from the center is 2 centimeter. Okay, so this is 2 centimeter and the length of the chord is 18 centimeter. But you know, if a line comes from the center of a circle, it is perpendicular on the chord and bisects the chord equally into two halves. So that means 18 centimeter will become 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter each. Okay, so far this is the question. Next, calculate the length of a chord of the same circle which is 6 centimeter distance from the center. So there is one more chord, so another chord we will draw at the top, and its distance from the center is 6 centimeter. So its distance from here, from the center, is, this is 6 centimeter. So second chord's distance from the center is 6 centimeter. So we have to find the length of this second chord. So very interesting question. Now children, what we will do, we will try to draw one radius of our own. Radius is not drawn and nothing said about radius, but we will draw a radius of our own. So since radius name was not given, so we will draw an imaginary line. So here one triangle will be formed. So with this triangle, what will happen now? 9 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So we will get a radius, and whatever will be the length of this radius, same one more radius we will draw here children. One more radius we will draw, and its length also will be same of the previous one, because in the same circle the radius cannot be of two types. So now we will first find this radius, and if we know this radius, we will know this radius as well, and with the help of this radius and this 6 we will get this, and if we know half, the other half we will come to know, and that way we will come to know the second chord, the length of second chord. So let us begin. First of all, let us name this figure with different names. Suppose I write my name here AB. Here I will write the second chord with CD. Okay, this is CD. And here center always I name with O, and let me write this name as XY or MN, whatever, we can write MN as well. So let me write this M and this one as N, whatever name we can give. Okay, now I will start from this figure. So my solution will begin. So you will write in triangle, the lower triangle, we cannot take this because in this triangle we know two things. So take this triangle OAN, in triangle OAN. So in this triangle, base is 9, perpendicular is 2. So hypotenuse is not given, and let me remind you, hypotenuse is the radius, and hypotenuse name is OA. So I will write OA equal to H, that is hypotenuse, and OA value will come applying hypotenuse formula, and its formula is P square plus B square. This is the formula of hypotenuse, Pythagoras theorem. And here perpendicular is 2, so you can write 2 square plus your base is 9, so 9 square, and this is root over. Now 2 square is 4, 9 square is 81. So finally I will get root 85. So what we will do children, whatever answer has come, we will keep the same answer. So it is root 85, no issue. you keep it root 85 because we cannot take out root 85 from the root over, and we can write it here centimeter. Now we will take the second figure. The second figure is OCM. In triangle OCM, one thing I want to say, children, OA and OC is the radius of the same circle, and if OA is at root 85, OC also will be root 85. So that thing you mention here, that OC is equal to OA and both are radius. So when both are equal, then what will happen? The value of OA is root 85, so value of OC also will be root 85. So now this is root 85, this is 6. So you write this also, that OM is already 6 centimeter given. So here what I will do, you know, this is 90 degree because any line coming from the center and touching the chord bisects the chord equally into two halves, and it is perpendicular. Perpendicular means it makes 90 degree. So if 90 degree is here, this can be base and this is perpendicular, or you can interchange also. This is your perpendicular, this is base, but I will take this one as base. So I will find CM because this is my question to find. So CM means I am going to find base, and base formula is hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square, and here hypotenuse is OC and my OC value is root 85. So I will write root 85 and don't forget to put square minus perpendicular. My perpendicular is OM and OM value is 6. So I will write 6 square and then don't forget to put root over. 1 root over is the value and this root over is the formula's root over. Now root and square always vanishes, only number remains. You know, I think no need to do 85 square, but what you do, square and root you vanish and only write 85 minus 6 square is 36 and this is root over. Now 85 minus 36 we will do. 15 minus 6 is 9 and here 7 minus 3 is 4 and root 49 is 7. So children, we got CM as 7. If it is 7, this is also 7, and if you add both, then CD we will get, and CD is the second chord. So the question is, what is the question to find? The question, calculate the length of a chord. So that chord, the above chord. So you can write, therefore the length of, you can write second chord or only chord, the length of chord is equal to CD, and its value will come how? CD will come, both are equal, so 7 plus 7, and 7 plus 7 is 14 cm. So second chord is 14 cm. So this is how we have to do, children. I hope you understood. Thank you, children.